Hi, I am Nur Mohammad Molla, a student of West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Science. I am continuing my MFSc in Aquaculture at Faculty of Fishery Science, WBFS, Kolkata. Besides that, I am an alumni of Al Amin Mission. I took admission in class 6 in the year 2005 at Khalatpur branch and passed HS in 2012. Today I am going to describe about Bachelor of Fisheries Science BFSc and its scope. BFSc, an UGC approved and ICAR regulated 4-year professional degree followed by MFSc and PhD. There are huge opportunities for BFSc graduate both in government and non-government organization, state and central level. In case of state level, every state government has a fishery department in which fisheries graduate can apply for the post of Inspector of Fisheries, Research Assistant, Sub-Inspector of Fisheries, Assistant Director, Assistant Fisheries Development Officer, Fisheries Extension Officer and Fisheries Development Officer. In State Fisheries Development Corporation, they can apply for the post of Deputy Manager, Manager, Project Officer and Fisheries Officer. In Fish Farmers Development Agency and Brackish-water Farmers Development Agency, they can apply for the post of Executive Officer in respective state. In case of central level, a fishery graduate can apply for Technical Officer and Assistant Director in central institutions like MPEDA, FASI, FSI, EIA, INCOIS, Coastal Aquaculture Authority of India, etc. In academic institution, they can apply for Research Assistant, Biochemist, Biologist, Technicians, and after completing MFSc and PhD, one can apply for Assistant Professor and Research Scientist. Besides that, there are huge scope for BFSc graduate in national banks, private sector, fish processing industry, fish farming and allied sector. Most importantly, self-employment generation and jobs in abroad. There are 25 universities all over the India from where 4-year BFSc degree are offered. In case of our state, West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Science is only one university from where BFSc degree is offered. Our university has 3 campuses. Administrative campus is at Belgacia, Kolkata 70037 and Faculty of Dairy Technology with Faculty of Veterinary and Animal Science at Mohanpur Nadia and Faculty of Fisheries Sciences is at Chokgoria near Kobi Subhas Metro Station and New Goria Railway Station. The faculty has tripartite mission of teaching, research and extension education in fisheries. Besides that, our university has hostel facilities for both boys and girls, library facilities, canteen facilities as well as dining facilities and most importantly scholarship facilities based on merit. For maintaining suitable, healthy and competitive environment, our university provides Best Student Award as a lifetime achievement. Now come to the admission procedure. There are two types of procedure. First one is for state or domicile candidate, that is direct admission as per result of HS and equivalent. Last year the cut-off marks was 88%, 85%, 82% and 85% for general, OBC, SC and ST candidates respectively. For this, you need to follow the university website wbuafscl.ac.in. Second method for ICAR candidate. You can also take part in it. You have to qualify the ICAR examination for taking admission in VFSC, and you can take admission in any fishery colleges throughout India. For that, you need to follow the ICAR website icar.nta.nic.in. The achievements of BFSC graduates from West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences. There is also a placement cell in our university to find out the vacancies throughout the country and abroad, so that the students from our faculty can be placed there. BFSC is only exclusive essential qualification for the post of Fisheries Extension Officer, Assistant Research Officer in Department of Fisheries, Government of West Bengal. Our university was established in the year 1995, and till today, more than 350 students have achieved BFSC degree. And by the grace of Almighty, not a single candidate is jobless. More than 200 BFSC graduates are serving West Bengal as FO under Department of Fisheries, Government of West Bengal. More than 20 BFSC graduates are well established in abroad. Nearly about 50 graduates are in multinational companies. 30 graduates are scientists, and the rest of them playing the role as assistant professor, SRF, bank manager, farm manager, etc. And they are widespread throughout the world. Thank you so much.